Segment is sponsored by Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing.
Well, the last thing you want during the holiday season is for something to go wrong with your AC, your heater, or your plumbing. And so that's why maintenance is important. Henry Rodriguez is joining us with Goettl AC and Plumbing with a few holiday home care tips. It's good to see you. How you been?
I've been great. How about you?
Doing good, doing good. This is such an important time to talk about this stuff because you and I were just talking in the break. We just recently had a lot of people over, right? We had Thanksgiving, we're cooking, there's all sorts of crazy stuff in the air.
It's just crazy. You have smoke from the turkey, you have some grease flying up, maybe you're frying some things, and you have people.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, people bring in some allergies. They bring in some all that fun stuff that comes off our bodies in some sense. And right now your air filters probably needs to be changed.
Okay, so step one, change the air filter,
Change
right?
your air filter,
okay.
Absolutely.
Easy tip right there. Other than that, you might want to think about getting your ducts clean, right?
Oh, absolutely. Duct right now, because we're going to be going into cedar fever season.
Okay.
Right? So let's get rid of all that dust that's inside your ductwork that's been accumulating from the summer, right? Okay. All day long we've been recycling air.
Okay, take a look at your screens if you're at home. I want to show you a big difference that this can make. This is what your duct looks like before you have it cleaned. And you can see there's dust in there, there's particles, there's all those things that I'm breathing in, right?
Oh, absolutely. And there's also probably pet dander and all kinds of different things inside there.
Think about that, yeah. Yeah. So a good cleaning is important, and look at the difference that it can make.
It is amazing what our equipment and just a little bit of elbow grease can really bring and rejuvenate the inside of your pipes.
Okay, let's talk about that.
Say pipes, inside your duct pipes.
For sure, it's the pipes of our home, that's for sure. When you guys come over and you do that duct cleaning, what does that look like for me?
Well, first off, we're going to come out, we're going to lay out all of our tarps around your house. We're going to cover all the important things. We don't want to get any dust anywhere. And during that process, we're going to shoot up a device that goes in and just spiral cleans the inside of that dust, and it's vacuuming as it's doing that. We have these big HEPA filters. You can kind of see in the photos right here. And these big HEPA filters, and they'll just clean the inside of that pipe and get it back to normal.
Okay, good to know. This is something that can be done pretty quickly, and it's not going to leave a big mess. So it might be a really good time to think about doing that right now before we have more people over for the holidays.
Yeah, they're coming.
Yeah, they're coming, and they're going to want to take a shower if they're staying at my house. And that's why it's also important to think about that water heater.
Oh my gosh, let me tell you a story. Back maybe a couple years ago before I got a tankless, we used to schedule our showers.
Right.
In the morning, mom and dad take a shower. In the afternoon, the kids take a shower. Don't do it while we're doing laundry.
Yeah.
Imagine having endless hot water.
Yeah.
It's like, oh my gosh. Or you can even, another tip would be just flush your water heater.
Okay.
You get some more capacity out of it right now.
Okay. So if you do have one of those older style water heaters, a flush is very important to consider.
Absolutely.
But if you're ready to get a new one, now's the time to do that as well.
Absolutely. Endless hot water.
I like endless hot water. That sounds pretty good. I know you guys are busy during the holiday season. What's the best way for people to get in touch with you guys and schedule these kinds of things?
The greatest thing is you go to our website, www.goettl.com/San Antonio. Schedule. We have our live schedule that's there. You can pick any day you want, or call our phone number 210-734-8400. That's the other way we can do that as well.
Okay, good deal. It's always good to see you, Henry.
Absolutely.
Guys, let me give you all that information. Of course, you can scan that QR code on your screen to take advantage of these special holiday offers. It's $1,500 off a tankless water heater, $1,000 off a whole home water purity system, and $499 duct cleaning special. Great, great deals from our friends at Goettl. And here's how you can contact them. They're right here in San Antonio. Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing at 210-734-8400. Like Henry said, you can also go online at goettl.com/San Antonio to book those upcoming appointments.